Welcome to Mini Cooks, where kids like us cook and bake.
Today we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies. We're following a recipe linked in the description below.
Okay, so for this recipe, you'll need 2 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, a half cup of granulated sugar, one and a half cups of light brown sugar, or dark brown sugar, it doesn't matter as long as it's brown sugar.
2 whole eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract,
1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder,
3/4 teaspoons of small coarse sea salt or kosher, 2 1/4 of semi-sweet chocolate chips,
and this is an espresso powder. It's a secret ingredient. It's totally optional. It just adds an extra boost of flavor.
cream the butter. I'm gonna put it. It's not coming out.
You have to cream the butter, sugar, and brown sugar until it's nice and fluffy. Because if you don't, the cookie dough won't turn out right. So I'm gonna go ahead and put
Brown sugar.
You gotta tap it.
And then you put the other half, since you need 1/2 cup. And then you put half a cup of regular white sugar. And now you're going to cream that.
Okay, so we're gonna cream this for 2 minutes on medium speed, and so basically it doesn't have to be exactly those 2 minutes, but it's gonna be something similar like that, so it gets fluffy.
Add both the eggs in and the vanilla and the extract. For 2 minutes.
Now we're gonna add the vanilla extract. Vanilla.
Good.
Okay, now for the second one. Now we're gonna beat the eggs and vanilla for 2 minutes. Okay, so in order for the oven to be hot, we need to preheat it, and so the preheat. We need to preheat the oven to 360 degrees. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. So now it has started, and it started. So it's starting to preheat.
Add baking soda, 1 teaspoon. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And a half. Add salt.
Did you do a couple dashes of
Yeah.
salt, guys? Here, then I'll do it. Oh, and the salt won't make your cookie salty. It'll just enhance the flavor of it.
And then flour as well.
And the measurement for that is 3 and 2 and 1/4 or 3/4. So, and just a little tip for mixing, guys. When you're mixing the flour and stuff, you need to put it on the lowest speed your blender can possibly go, or it's gonna splash everywhere. Oh, and we're gonna add our secret ingredient. We're just gonna add
With the espresso powder.
Oh, okay. So we're just gonna add a little dash. So here we go.
We just put a little.
Yeah, just a little. We're not gonna put too much.
I mean, you can get as much as you want, but like
The
it
batter
can get
is
pretty tough.
also like, and then we suggest using sea salt instead of kosher salt.
Yeah, the sea salt just has more taste, and that's the reason why.
Now it's time for the part that we've all been waiting for, the chocolate chips. So we're gonna mix some big chocolate chips with some small chocolate chips since we don't have enough. So the recipe calls for 2 1/4, but since we don't have enough, we're gonna use just 2 cups.
We are finished making the cookie dough. Now prepare the dough so that it can go into the oven. Get a tray that can go into the oven and get parchment paper.
Okay, so now you're gonna use a cookie dough scooper to scoop some cookie dough out of your bowl and place it on on parchment paper that's on a tray.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna bake these for 12 to 14 minutes, and we have the one batch right here. But you can make more than one. So now let's just close this oven
With the same batch.
Yeah.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Welcome back. Our cookies are about to be popped out of the oven and set aside to cool. This is how ours came out. Make sure to let them cool for about 3 minutes before eating.
Okay, everyone, we're back, and we haven't let the cookies cool for exactly 3 minutes yet. But before, you're gonna also let them cool on this rack right here. So I'm gonna use this, I use this for pancakes normally. This spatula to scoop, or just take one of these cookies and put it right here.
Enjoy! Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more content and like this video if you enjoyed it. And make sure to share this video with a friend. Once again, thanks for watching and have a great day.